What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a U1 string. So, when you win it'll pop up a message, a thing, you can retry menu. Also, we hit 100 subscribers. Thank you all very much for that. I think, yeah, let's get started. So to start with, we're actually going to make the, U1 UI. So let's get a new UI, name it Win Panel. Go into 2D mode, it's easier to customize. I'm gonna make mine like this. I think I'll make it like a little rounder. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I like that. So then right click, UI text. You can center it at the top here, stretch it. Then here, just center it and do U1. And little exclamation marks. All right. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to add a UI image. This will be the button holder. What we'll do, we're going to make the width like 400. You can do 450. We can just do 0. And then you can turn off the image or whatever to it. We're going to add a horizontal layout group, or if you want, you can also do vertical. It doesn't really matter. And then right click UI button. This will be the retry button. Hit that 2 more times. Yeah, so this will be retry, menu, and quit. So, then you customize it. However, I like this. So now for the actual scripting, let's make a new C# script. You can name this Win Menu. So we're going to duplicate this. We're going to be using the scene management. Do public string main menu is equal to main menu. So that'll just bring us to the main menu. All right, you can get rid of the update and start. We'll do public void retry. This will just reset the game. Then we're going to do scene manager load scene manager get active scene build index. This will just, retry it. Next, actually no. Yeah, we can do public void menu, and then scene manager load scene main menu. Then for the quit, we'll do public void quit game, and then application.quit. Put your script onto there. We can select all the buttons, click the plus, then drag in the panel, then just select any button and assign it to whatever button that is. All right, now the menu works. So retry, that resets it. Menu, it brings me to the my menu. And the quit button works. It won't show you that it works inside the editor, but it works. So you can disable the Win panel now for it to actually you have enemies and whatnot. So I'm gonna get a 3D object. This is gonna be my enemy. It's just gonna be a cube guy. And then for this part, I'm just gonna use a health script from a tutorial I made. All right, so this is the health script from that tutorial. I'm gonna remove some things from it that we don't need for this one. Just the stuff with the text. And yeah, that should be it. I'm gonna change this to 100. So let's put on the enemy script. And if we get a 3D object, another cube, we can reset it up there. Add a box, another box collider, so trigger, and a rigid body, and then yeah. So if we just drag down there, you can see, dies, it goes away. But it doesn't activate our windscreen yet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually get more enemies here because it's gonna work better. And we're gonna make a new empty object called enemy manager. With this, we're also gonna add a new script called enemy manager. So here we're gonna open up the script to other scripts. We're gonna do public static enemy manager is instance, and then an awake function we will do instance equals this. Get rid of all that, we don't really need it. Then public int enemies remaining. This will be equal to 0. The script will handle it all for us, so yeah. Then in here, we're going to do public game object, win menu. Then we're going to make an update. It's going to be if enemies remaining are less than 0, then win menu dot set active true. And that should be everything for this. So if we go back into our enemy health, we can make a start function, and that will be enemy manager dot instance dot enemies remaining plus equals 1. We can then copy this, go into our die function, and change the plus to a minus. So now we can head back into Unity. Alright, so in our enemy manager, add the script, and then add the win panel. Alright, so as you can see in the enemy manager script, we have 4 enemies remaining. Then if we, I'm just going to lock it on there so you keep seeing it. And this is the damage cube, so we're going to touch it. It drops down. One more. There. That. And if we go back to our game, U1 screen appears. So that's actually going to be it for this tutorial. Hope y'all like it, and I'll see y'all next time.